Today, I wanted to make a beautiful ocean cheesecake, but something happened. Honestly, for a second, I thought my project was ruined. But nope, I decided not to give up and to save it. All right, let's get into the story. First, I crushed 150 grams of vanilla biscuits in a food processor. Then I added 200 grams of softened butter and mixed them together until it turned into a nice buttery base. I pressed it firmly into my ring mold and let it chill in the fridge for an hour. Next came the creamy layer. I dissolved 1 tablespoon of gelatin in a bit of cold water. Let it bloom, then melted it in the microwave. In another bowl, I mixed 150 grams of cream cheese, 150 grams of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and the melted gelatin. I poured that creamy mix over the biscuit base, smoothed the top, and let it rest in the fridge for 2 hours. Now, here's where things got interesting. I wanted to pour the final layer, blueberry jelly, to create that dreamy ocean cheesecake. I made the jelly, started pouring it, and suddenly, disaster! My ring mold had a leak and the jelly started escaping from the sides. My kitchen instantly turned into a blueberry crime scene. But hey, I don't give up that easily. Right then, the hero arrived. Cocoa powder. I dusted a bit of cocoa on top of the creamy layer. And guess what? It turned into a simple chocolatey cheesecake, and honestly, it was delicious. Sometimes kitchen fails create the sweetest surprises.